Hey everyone, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Well, I'm back with day 9 of the video series IELTS reading true, false, not given. I really hope you've made use of the previous set of videos. If not, watch them. Kindly check the information right in the description. I've shared the links. And if not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe. And if looking for an online course, any point of time, send us a text in the WhatsApp or in the mail. We will be happy to assist you. So without wasting any time, let's start with day 9 of the video series IELTS reading true, false, not given. So I'm going to show you the question, pause the video, finish answering it, and then await the explanation. Well, it is a straightforward question, so let's see how to answer them. All bacteria becomes less efficient. That's a clue there. When they try to escape from being killed by a virus. But here, when some bacteria manage to escape from being killed by a virus, the microbes end up hamstringing. Hamstringing means they become less efficient. They become less virulent. They become less effective. So here the point is when some bacteria, here it's all bacteria. So it's completely contradicting a very straightforward question. If you miss this particular clue, that is some versus all, then you may expect some surprises in the exam. So it's some is not equivalent to all, so it's exactly contradicting. So the first one becomes false. Hope you're getting it, why first one is false. Second one, flexneri can spread within cells and cause havoc. What is havoc? You need to know this. It's some destructive behavior, something which is so distracting. That's havoc. So flexneri can spread within cells. The bacterium Shigella flexneri, one cause of the infectious disease, can spread within cells that line the gut by propelling itself through the cell's barriers. That causes havoc. Is it really destructive? Tissue damage that can lead to symptoms like bloody diarrhea. It's of course havoc. Hope you are getting it. So second one is true. It's a very straightforward question. You just need to know the meaning of havoc. Hope it is clear. Let's quickly move to the third question. When flexneri is exposed to a virus which kills the flexneri, which kills the bacteria, that bacterium was observed to evolve more powerful and spread throughout the cells. Okay, a lot of people write not given here. I am pretty sure a lot of people would write not given. Let's understand. When flexneri is exposed to a virus which kills bacteria, what happens? Do we have the information? When S. flexneri in lab dishes evolved to elude a type of bacteria killing virus. When it exposed to a virus which kills bacteria, the bacteria couldn't spread cell to cell anymore, making it less virulent. When that bacteria was exposed to a virus, it tried to escape the virus by becoming less virulent. It did not spread from one cell to another. This is the information we have. Let's read the question. When flexneri is exposed to a virus which kills bacteria, if I have to write true, then I should have read flexneri becomes less virulent and it will not spread from one cell to another. But let's see what we have got here. When flexneri is exposed to a virus which kills bacteria, the flexneri was observed to evolve more powerful. Oh no. It did not evolve more powerful. It evolved less powerful because it ended up hamstringing itself. In the first line also is given. So it is definitely not powerful. It couldn't spread from cell to another and spread throughout the cells. No. It's completely contradicting. When it is exposed to a virus killing bacteria, it evolved to elude. Elude is to escape. How did it escape? By becoming less virulent, it stopped spreading. So in the question, it became more powerful. Less virulent is less powerful. More powerful is opposite. Spread throughout the cells. Here it says couldn't spread from cell to cell anymore. So it's exactly contradicting. Hope you agree. Third one gonna be false. Any doubts? First one gonna be false, second one gonna be true, third one gonna be false. Third one is false. Fourth one, flexneri bacteria happens to the rarest of bacteria which can escape the virus. All right, everywhere we have this information. Elude, a type of, manage to escape in the first line. In the last but 3 lines elute, they all mean escape. Okay, flexneri bacteria happens to be the bacteria which can escape the virus. True. Flexneri bacteria happens to be the rarest of bacteria which can escape the virus. Oh, I don't know. Is it the rarest of bacteria? Well, no information is given about how rare this bacteria is. Correct? You cannot write true because 90% of the information is matching. Rarest is not matching. That means you don't know if this is the rarest of bacteria which can escape. Is it the rarest? I have no information whether it is rarest. When you say, I don't know, I have not got much information to say this, then the answer has to be, I hope you're saying, not given. Hope it is clear. Because of the word rarest here, the last one becomes not given. I'll just recapitulate all the answers. The first one becomes less efficient when they try to escape. No, it is false because all bacteria versus some bacteria. It can spread within cells and cause havoc. Yes, bloody diarrhea it's gonna cause. It is causing some havoc. Third one, when Flexneri is exposed to a virus, it was observed to evolve less powerful and couldn't spread anymore. It evolved more powerful and spread throughout the cell, so it is contradicting, false. And the last one, rarest of bacteria, we have no information regarding the rarest of bacteria, so that will be not given. So here if you're getting 2, don't give the exam, take my suggestion. You just need a little bit of more time. Here if you're getting 4 out of 4, you can just verify the other set of videos from day 1 to day 8 and understand whether you're ready for the exam or not. So apparently tomorrow gonna be the last video of the series. I really hope you're enjoying this video. Saying this on a positive note, I'm gonna park it here. Tomorrow I'll come back. Till then, take care. Bye bye.